Learning something new about yourself is always interesting and entertaining. And understanding the psychology behind the way we behave, treat others, and express ourselves can be even more appealing. Today, we here on Facts have compiled a list of the 15 most surprising psychology facts that can help you better understand yourself and others. Number 1. Any friendship that was born in the period between 16 and 28 years of age is more likely to be robust and long-lasting. Number 2. Women generally prefer men with deep husky voices because they seem more confident and not aggressive. Number 3. The people who give the best advice are usually the ones with the most problems. Number 4. The smarter the person is, the faster he thinks, and the sloppier his handwriting is. Number 5. Our emotions don't affect the way we communicate. In fact, the very opposite is true. The way we communicate has an influence on our mood. Number 6. People with low self-esteem tend to try and humiliate others. Number 7. People who have a strong sense of guilt are better at understanding other people's thoughts and feelings. Number 8. Men are not funnier than women, they just make more jokes, not caring whether other people like their humor or not. Number 9. Shy people talk little about themselves, but they do this in a way that makes other people feel that they know them very well. Number 10. Women have twice as many pain receptors on their bodies than men, but they have a much higher pain tolerance. Number 11. Listening to high-frequency music makes you feel calm, relaxed, and happy. Number 12. If you can't stop your stream of thoughts at night, get up and write them down. This will set your mind at ease so you can sleep. Number 13. Good morning and good night text messages activate the part of the brain responsible for happiness. Number 14. Doing things that scare you will make you happier. Number 15. The average amount of time a woman can keep a secret is 47 hours and 15 minutes. For more interesting facts, subscribe to our channel.